Hey YouTubers, Darren here from Grass Ranch Garage. Hey YouTube, Darren here with Grass Ranch Garage. And do you have a recoil starter that does this to you? Well, that's no good. Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that problem. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove the 3/8 bolts located right here and right here. Also the 5/16 bolt holding the dipstick tube on. Then the two 3/8 bolts at the front of the engine there. Then firmly grasp the top of the blower housing and pull straight up. Now that it's on your workbench, you can probably play with it and get it to pull right back in. Most of the time you'll find that when it was repaired before, they used too large of a pull cord rope or they wound too much onto the recoil. Also, rust and dirt and debris build up on the recoil spring itself, making it stiff and not wanting to return properly. What I like to do is I like to place the blower assembly in my vise, pull all the cord out, and then secure it in place with some vise grips. Just clamp them on just like that. Not too tight because you don't want to break the plastic. Now you should be able to grab the knot inside and pull it out so that you can cut it and then remove the cord together. Simply take your snips and cut off the knot on the end. Just like that. Then pull your rope through. Now to get the cord from inside the handle, you need to pop this plastic cap off the rubber T-handle. And I like to use a flat blade screwdriver. Pull up like that. Then you can see the cord on the inside. You can pull it out and then pull it all the way through. And as you can see, this cord here was starting to fray. Once you've cut the length of cord that you need, you can take a lighter, heat up the end, and pinch it off so that your remaining cord on your spool doesn't fray. And you're going to want to do the same to the end you're going to place in your recoil assembly. Just heat it up until it starts to melt, and then if you can, pinch it together into a point. Then with a little bit of luck and a whole lot of faith, you can thread it through the hole and pull it out with some needle nose. Tie a knot in the end and then pull it back through. And when you're finished, it should look like that. Now take your other end of your pull cord, place it through your handle. Take the top piece of your handle, and fish it through the hole. It should come out the top like that. Tie a knot, like so. Use pliers to grab the end. Give it a good pull. Make sure it's good and tight. Then pull your cord back into the top of the handle. You want to seat the knot inside the opening here and run the excess thread and the little groove given to you on the side of the inside of the handle. Once you've pulled it in tight, it should look like this. Then you can slide the base of the handle up, pull together. It'll click into place. Now, with the blower housing and recoil assembly on your workbench, apply some oil to the center. Remove the vice grip and turn the recoil several times by pulling the cord. Now with the proper size cord that's not frayed and plenty of lubrication, your recoil starter should work like this. You should be able to pull the handle out, let go, and pull itself straight back. I'm Darren with Grass Ranch Garage. Get out there and enjoy your weekend.